You want brighten and glowing skin without harsh chemicals? I have got a 3 minutes DIY using turmeric and coconut oil that work wonderful. And you can do it at home. Okay, you have those ingredients. Well, I put 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and also I added my a little bit amount of coconut oil inside. So when you add your coconut oil inside, try to do what to mix it very well, especially if you don't boil or if you don't melt your coconut oil. You guys can see how I'm doing I didn't melt my coconut oil, so I have to make sure that I make it into smoothed paste. So after that, I'm adding some few drop of lemon, because this treatment is good to add lemon also inside. So after that, you continue to mix the ingredient to make sure that all the ingredients mix very well together. So this thing is very good, especially if you have bad scent from your mouth, whether you or your partner or your wife, your husband or your children or someone that you know, and he or she have bad scent from the mouth. So this thing, you have to try to use it at least once in a week. That is mouth detoxer, to detox your mouth. So after that, you use your toothbrush, take part of it and start to brush your teeth as the way I'm doing it. So make sure you brush it while you are doing it. Keep it, brush it at least 1 to 2 minutes. Make it gentle, don't be forcing to brush it. So after that, you go ahead and add your normal toothpaste that you always use, your regular toothpaste. Use that one also and brush after finish making your detoxer, your mouth detoxer. You use your normal toothpaste also to brush. So the rest of it also, our sisters, our queens, you have to use this one also, especially if you use any lotion that you use and it make your face, do it like you use spectacles, it's dark parts, or if you have pimples, or if you have like sunburn, you used to do what to make your hair, your face mask. So after the face mask, leave it for 20 minutes and go and take your shower. Now what I'm going to use is my carrot oil. Okay, I'm using my carrot oil plus my carrot butter. This one I make it by myself. You can check my channel to see how I make my carrot oil plus my carrot butter. It's very good for the skin. I don't So this is very good, and it is very safe for children also. So entire family will all using it. Please try your best to share this video, and if you are interested to see all the details, you can watch the full video in my channel. We have the full video about it. Okay, you can watch the full video over there, and also don't forget to share it with other sisters and queens also. And don't forget also, while you subscribe, you have to click the notification bell. That is very important. Anytime when we upload video, YouTube, they will notify you. See how my skin is glowing, right? I love this oil and this butter. Bye.